Welcome back. I'm Leanna Lane. This is night 3 of your 28-night nervous system reset, a journey designed to help you overcome insomnia and fall into a deep, restorative sleep. Tonight we move deeper. We are leaving the mental chatter behind and entering the silent forests. A place where solitude isn't lonely, it is a shield. A place where silence isn't empty, it is full of peace. By the end of this session, your mind will be clear, your breath will be slow, and you will be ready for the uninterrupted sleep you've been craving. If you're just finding this 28-night reset tonight, and you'd like to begin from the very first night, you can find night 1 waiting for you in the playlist below. For now, simply rest here with me. There is nothing to solve, no one to answer to. Let the world outside your room begin to dissolve. Inhale deeply, pulling the air down into your belly. Hold it briefly. And exhale with a long, slow sigh. Imagine you have stepped out from the porch of our sanctuary cottage. The rain from last night has stopped, leaving the air crisp, clean, and incredibly still. You begin to walk a soft, mossy path leading into the forest. Listen. The silence here is heavy and warm, like a weighted blanket. There are no sirens, no notifications, no voices demanding your time. Only the faint, ancient heartbeat of the trees. Breathe in the scent of damp moss and old pine. Breathe out, letting the earth beneath your feet take the weight of your body. The forest is your protector tonight. Every ancient trunk is a pillar of strength, standing guard over your rest. The canopy above is so thick, it filters out the light of the world's expectations. Visualize your thoughts as small birds. Watch them fly up into the high branches, finding their nests, settling down, and going quiet. Take a deep, intentional breath in. Hold that breath, feeling the absolute stillness of the woods. And as you exhale, feel the need to be productive, leave your body, sinking into the mossy floor. Whisper to yourself, I am safe in this silence. I am at peace in this solitude. The stillness of the trees is a mirror for your mind. Look at the giant oaks. They do not hurry. They do not worry about tomorrow. They simply are. Inhale the cool, oxygen-rich air. Exhale and soften your jaw, letting the tension drain away. Whisper to yourself, I do not need to be seen. I do not need to be known. I am allowed to just exist. Your nervous system is recognizing this ancient safety. The forest doesn't judge you. The trees don't have a to-do list for you. Feel the fight or flight response wilting away, like a leaf returning to the soil. Slowly breathe in the deep green quiet. Exhale and release the muscles in your back. The world's noise does not belong in this forest. It cannot find you here. For now, there is only the tall grass, the ancient bark, and your slow, steady breath. Take a long, cleansing breath in, and let it out like a soft wind through the leaves. Let this affirmation settle. My solitude is my strength. My silence is my sanctuary. Imagine you find a bed of soft silver ferns. You lie down and they cradle you perfectly. You are tucked away, cocooned in the deep shadows of the forest. The darkness here isn't empty. It is a soft velvet cloak. Inhale the peace of the silent woods. Exhale and feel your body becoming heavy, rooted into the earth. Remind your heart, tonight I reclaim my right to be still. Imagine a soft green light starting at your feet. It feels like the warmth of the sun through the leaves. It moves through your knees. Through your core. Through your shoulders. Turning every tight nerve into soft, pliable moss. Breathe into your belly, feeling it rise like the earth breathing. Effortless and automatic. You are safe. You are hidden. You are unburdened. Listen to the silence as it finds its rhythm. Each second of quiet is a stitch in the fabric of your recovery. The stillness is a language your nervous system understands. It is the language of rest and repair. Breathe in the coolness of the deep forest. Breathe out and let your mind go dark and soft, like the forest floor. Notice the tiny muscles around your eyes. Let the forest's shadow soften them. Notice the corners of your mouth. Let them go completely slack. I am protected by the trees. I am held by the night. Inhale the scent of the cool night air. Exhale and let your legs feel long, heavy, and motionless. If a thought tries to flicker, see it as a distant firefly. Watch it glow, and watch it fade back into the dark. You don't need to chase it. You are simply the forest, vast and still. My sleep is a sacred space. I enter it now with ease. You are drifting further from the world of people and plans. The shadows are gentle. They are carrying you toward a deep, dreamless rest. Your nervous system is quiet. Your heart is steady. Your mind is clear. The forest will continue to watch over you while you sleep. We will be here to meet you again for night 4. But for now, there is only the silence. Only the trees. Only the deep, dark quiet. One last deep breath in. Hold it, savoring the solitude, and release everything. Sleep now in the heart of the woods. Into the dream.